And in the plane activity, there are people. There are pilots, co-pilots, there is cockpit, there is window seat, there is aisle seat, there are passengers, there are flight attendants and air hostess and air host.
So good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vikas Singh. Welcome to our flight, Air India flight.
Veg meal, but it is non-veg. How can you do that?
Yes, ma'am. I will print for you.
So that's non-veg, right? I have ordered for a veg meal. I am a proper Brahmin family. I belong to proper Brahmin culture. You can't do this to me. You have to pay attention, right?
Close your eyes and relax your mind, okay?
Please sir, call for emergency landing, sir.
And see is her eyes.
What is facility of your restaurant? I am not happy here. You know, we are here 5 person included, and you take a tea 4 person. Where is your mind? Why are you not focused on your work?
And she's saying only we will be in Dubai. She's not going London.
Dubai. I want to watch that
So
Burj Khalifa.
that's your problem. Huh?
So sir, that's our problem, I understand. But sir, why are you our assistant? You said that if you have any problem.
This is the bomb! This is the bomb! Yeah, everybody will die! Everybody will die! There is a bomb in the flight! Oh my god!
Sir, please.
Sir! Yeah, they are talking about that there is a bomb in the flight.
This is mistake, sir. This is a tissue box. This is not bomb.
Really? This is a tissue box?
Yeah, you can check. It's a tissue.
To serve the people, to get the service, and to make our souls and spirits realize that yes, we are confident enough to actually do any kind of activity at any place, at any corner of the world. This gives you confidence. This gives you effective communication skills. This is a common way of sitting, right? Sit straight. If we just imagine it as a plane, अगर हम इसको एक plane मानते हैं, so we have 2 types of seats here. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 seats हैं. One we have the window seat, one we have the aisle seat. This space is called aisle, A-I-S-L-E. जिसको ऐसले लिखा जाता है, but aisle बोला जाता है. तो वो window है, ये aisle है. ये aisle पे बैठे हैं, ये window पे बैठे हैं. Especially today, first activity will be the hospitality nod, the plane activity. And in the plane activity, there are people. There are pilots, co-pilots, there is cockpit, there is window seat, there is aisle seat, there are passengers, there are flight attendants and air hostess and air host, right? So today, we have 2 cabin crew preparation people, that we have 1 person, Radha, another we have Mr. Vikash. So they both are gonna, if the flight is going to take off from London to Abu Dhabi or Abu Dhabi to London, from India to Australia or Australia to India, you don't worry, you can say you're on, right? Don't be very fixed about it. So this is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. I can say the flight is going to take off from Lakshmi Nagar to Happiness Ki Chhat Pe. That's all right, because it's my kind of, it's my kind of apprentice and practice station. I can say anything. The one thing is very important. When the air host or air hostess will be making an announcement, you have to just keep in your mind that you have to listen very carefully, because this is a plane, this is not your ghar ki chat. If the plane gets crashed or there is any emergency in the plane, you need to be very sure about the air host and air hostess words, that what they have told you about the parachute, about the emergency exit, about assistance, about the water, and each and everything. You will be getting free of cost water if you want a glass of water. But if you take the Kinley water in the bottle, you will have to pay the charge in the flight. Actually, I'm talking about the reality, right? So let's begin it. And we are gonna begin it. So first activity will be that they will be making an announcement. Second activity will be, as a passenger, you can ask their assistance, right? Excuse me, ma'am. You ring the bell, she or he will come to you and ask, hi sir, how may I help you today? How may I assist you today? And you can share your problem. Ma'am, this chair is not good. What can I do right now? You can just say like this, right? So, should we begin it? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Now put your hands together. Your air host and air hostess, I would like to tell you that your announcement spot will be this. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Air India flight. And today, I hope this journey is going to feel a lot of thrill and a lot of obsession, curiosity in your traveling and journey. My name is Abdullah. I welcome you with the open arms and open hearts. This flight is going to take off within 5 minutes. So keep your belt tight and keep your seats tight. Don't go here and there. Please sit down. We're going to take off and we will be landing to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal within just 1.5 hours. Thank you. Have a great day and have a great and a special journey. Thank you very much, everyone. So now we will be just welcoming. Let's put your hands together for the first flight attendant, for the first air hostess. I would like to welcome Radha, everybody.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all in this beautiful flight in this Mumbai. My name is Radha Singh. I'm your flight attendant. Cabin crew ensures you have an enjoyable flight today in this morning. It is our pleasure to serve you today. So please read the instruction card in your safety card in your seat pockets. Please fasten your seat belt. And there are 8 emergency exits: 2 forward, 2 backward, 2 over the wings. So please, I hope your journey is going to be good. So if you want to do something, so let us know. Thank you so much.
Well said, Radha. That's absolutely fantastic. So we have Radha, and Radha has given you instructions. There are 8 emergency exits, right? So you keep in your mind. And now Radha is your flight attendant and she will be asking for the assistance. You can accordingly call her and you can just tell your problems. Right? Come on, everybody.
Take water, ma'am, please.
Yes, sir, sure, sir. Sir, one chilled water, normal water.
Normal water.
Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, your luggage is put on cargo.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
When you land on the flats, after that you can get your luggage.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Door to proper close.
Sir,
Any seat belt. Safety.
sir, you have to sit very properly. First of all, you have to sit like this. You have to touch your waist, and after that you have to put your belt put up, and after that you can sit very properly.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me,
Thanks.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I'm feeling some uncomfortable there. So can you exchange this seat for me?
Sir, sorry, sir, because my all passenger is already sitting. So how can I do that? You have to manage.
So
You have to manage within.
if there is a single seat which have no passenger, you can have from.
No, sir, we have no single seat.
Okay,
So what do you have problem, sir?
So my back have pain, so I cannot sit on this seat because this is not this uncomfortable seat.
Sir, please adjust 1 hour. After that we can reach to Mumbai.
Okay, I can adjust. So can I have some water, please?
Yes, sir. May I help you?
So how can you help me actually? I said to this person max number of the times that please change the seat. I just want to have the view because I feel suffocation.
Sir,
And he is not changing
yes,
it.
sir. Of course, sir. Of course, sir. This passenger's ticket to have booked window. That's why he sat with window.
Exactly.
In front of
That's
window.
fine, but I requested a lot that please change this seat. I feel little suffocation. I have some problems, madam.
Sir, sorry,
but he
sir,
is not doing
I
it.
can't do that because sir, you wanted to sit in front of window, so you have to book the ticket.
Ma'am, it's unfortunate.
Excuse me, gentlemen. How they can give you window seat? I am paying for this.
Yes, sir.
I so respected you're paying for this, but I just always travel in the VIP and the first class. But unfortunately, I'm having to travel in this economy class. But could you
Sir,
just not
please,
replace?
Just 1 hour. After that, we can land within 1 hour to Mumbai. Sir.
Ma'am, I think your facility is absolutely not good. Why there are less passengers? We have the half plane full and half plane empty.
Sir, it is.
I think this flight is not giving good facilities and
It is
services.
not like that, sir. Our flight is half and.
I asked a glass of water and still I'm waiting.
Sir, yes, sir. I bring.
Come on, hurry up.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
I'm waiting. I've been waiting for a long time for a glass of water.
Because I like window seat.
I also like it.
I'm not traveling without window seat. I am paying a lot extra money for this.
No, you have not paid extra money. Why are you lying?
Extra money.
I'll talk to the management
You
department.
can ask them. You can ask them. Gentlemen, if you have any problem, please
Sir.
connect to your hostess.
Sir, have this.
Thank you so much. Should I pay for this?
No, sir. You
Is it
have,
complimentary?
You have paid.
And
already.
he is just, claiming that he has paid extra for the window seat.
Yes, sir. You, if you wanted to, if you wanted to sit in front of window, so you have to book ticket before sitting.
Ma'am, when have you been hired in this flight? I just want to know that.
Show me, show me your ticket,
before
sir.
a month, gentlemen. I have booked before a month.
You booked it before a month.
Before a
I
month.
understand that, but I also booked it.
I
What
think,
kind
ma'am,
of water is this?
I think, ma'am, you have to change his seat, ma'am. I'm
No.
feeling
How?
disturbed.
Why can I change my seat?
I'm feeling disturbed, ma'am.
Please,
Please,
guys.
change the seat of
Please,
this
guys,
gentleman.
lots of passengers are sitting. Don't disturb.
No, what the hell that all the passengers you're talking about here?
I
Like
request
this,
to.
like this.
I
This man
request
is
to
not
you.
suitable.
I am just from USA.
Sir, maintain the decorum. Sir, maintain the. Sir,
No, come on.
sir, please. Sir,
call
please.
your
I
senior.
request you, sir.
Please,
I
gentlemen.
request you.
Are you
because
traveling?
Lots of people are sitting,
on the
sir.
first
Look,
time?
the taste of the water. What is
Are you
this?
traveling the first time?
No, I have traveled multiple times.
I can.
When have you been hired into this airline, right? Are you a new
I
attendant?
have been, sir, for 2 years.
You have been for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
I'll see that. Okay, no issue. I'll manage it. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank
But
you so much, sir.
Ma'am, I request if this person disturbing me
Sir,
next
please,
time,
please, you have
to do
you
something
have-
for.
I think
Sir, you have to manage for 1 hour. After that, I will do whatever I can do
The
for
journey,
you.
the journey is also for 2 hours only. So how I can
Sir,
wait
I
for
can-
1 hour?
I can't do that because our passenger is sitting already. There is no space. How
I'll
can I
have
do
that. I'll have that
I
seat,
will
right?
complain your
Please.
service.
I'll have
sir.
that seat. No
Sir,
issue.
your ticket
Come
is
on.
this
Yeah, please, ma'am.
seat.
Go.
I'll have that
Yeah,
seat.
man. Go,
Alright.
please go. And she's leaving.
Yes, sir.
I want a glass of water, please.
Of course, sir. Anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
There is no water.
Sir, yes, sir. I will bring for you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, suddenly I feel difficulty in my breathing. Can you help me for any oxygen mark or any axis of oxygen, ma'am?
Sir, if you feel that types activity, sir, you have to read these books under the table. So after that, you can feel.
But ma'am, this book is not in English. This is in Hindi or French. I'm
Sir,
not
this is
knowing
Hindi
the
book.
French.
This is Hindi book for you. You can read.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But I have no spectacles. I have a eye issue. So
Sir,
can you
there
read this for me?
Sir, I have to work more, sir. That's why I suggest
think-
that
I
that
think-
book is very good, sir.
I think you have a short staff today
No, sir, not like that, sir.
because I
sir,
think
you can see, sir. There is big letters. There is everything visible, so you can read.
But last time I was there is a hair hostess who helped me a lot for this
Yes, sir.
for this difficulty.
I will help you, sir.
So how can put this marks? I don't know. I have no
Sir,
idea
I will,
about that.
I will bring water for you, chill water. After that, you can feel.
I don't need water. I face a difficulty in breathing. Please try to understand my concern and
sir,
listen carefully.
Because, sir, you are sitting in front of window. That's why.
I was saying to change the window.
Oh man, please don't disturb me again. Yeah. The journey is very difficult for me.
This
That is why.
Why?
That is
This
why I
is-
was saying to
Man.
change the seat, right? But he did not change. I was
Sir,
very
if you want-
cool.
Yeah,
Sir, if
gentleman,
you-
where are you from? Are you from India?
I'm not from India. I'm from, South Africa.
Sir, do you
South
want
Africa.
to change with him?
Okay.
Look, my complexion.
I think you have an anger issue, I think.
No, not anger issue actually. I just requested you.
Why you come back again?
So guys, do talk but with silently.
Ma'am,
There
if-
are lots of
You
persons
are
are
right.
sitting.
if this
Right.
scenario will continue, I will complain you on the tutor.
No, sir. not
Definitely,
like that. Sir, I
definitely.
will do.
This is not the good thing, ma'am. This is not the good thing.
But do you have problems, sir?
I have many problems. This person disturbing from a long time.
Where is the glass?
And how I can put the mask, ma'am?
Yes.
I asked for the glass. Where is the glass?
The difficulties increases
sir, I will
regularly,
do.
ma'am.
Sir,
Please try to understand
okay,
my
sir, it
concern.
is
I have
not-
a problem of
Yes,
asthma,
it is
ma'am.
oxygen mask, sir. You have put. After that, you can feel within 2 minutes. Okay, sir?
Oh, please, gentlemen, Please don't disturb me.
No, no,
I'm
I'll
feeling
I'll
not
I'll
well.
I'll
Please
not
try
disturb.
to
Right, yes,
understand.
yes,
I'm not
Sir,
feeling
please
well.
Don't disturb too
I
much.
want a
We
calm
have
and alone
some
journey,
disease,
man.
sir.
I will not disturb, right?
Okay, sir.
I
Thank you
promise.
so much.
Please
sir.
try to
you.
understand.
I will bring for you water, sir.
Sure, no, I will not have water. My glass is.
As my knowledge, the people of South Africa is very calm, but you have anger issue, man.
No, no, actually my blood pressure was so high that time.
Okay, you also have face a difficulty of breathing.
Yeah, breathing issues and all. Like I am scared of height, you know.
You can put this mark.
Yeah, sure, I'll take it.
Like, ma'am, I want warm water. I want warm water. This is very chilled.
Okay, sir. I will bring.
You are not listening properly, ma'am. I have a asthma problem. That's why I want warm water.
Sorry, sir. Oh, sorry, sir. Warm water is ready. Well, have this, sir. It is warm water for you.
Ma'am, can you give me a bottle of water in disposable? Because I don't like this utensils.
Sir, it is clean.
No, ma'am, I have a problem of asthma.
इसको
That's
हटा दो
why
यार।
I am regularly use all. I'm drink water in only disposable glass.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Please.
Is this sipped water?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me.
It is normal water.
It is sipped or sipped water?
Yes, sipped water.
Sipped water.
It is not used.
What?
It is clean water. You can take.
Veg meal, but it is non-veg. How can you do that?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I will bring for you.
So that's non-veg, right? I have ordered for a veg meal. I am a proper Brahmin family. I belong to proper Brahmin culture. You can't do this to me. You have to pay attention, right?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. It is my fault. I will bring for you another
But
meal.
that's not the good thing. You have to pay attention. This was about my culture. It's about my religion.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand.
How
Sorry,
can you
ma'am.
understand?
Sorry for this food.
So you sorry won't make anything good.
I can bring for you another food,
So
ma'am.
you will bring it, but why the staffs and you are doing that thing? There are so many problems arising there. Why? Why?
So you have to sit with waste, and after that
Let's not go away. So how I adjust this?
you have to sit properly. After that, you have to
Okay, I click this button.
put
Then you-
seatbelt, and after that, it is right now.
Okay. Now right now, ma'am, I was very hungry. So could you tell me what time you serve food?
Sir,
Meal?
your meal is ready, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir. And your water is ready, sir.
Because she managed, anyhow she managed, right? She managed one of the irritating customer from South Africa. She managed one of the oxygen issue problem and asthma issue actually. She also managed one of the non-veg issue and Brahman family issue, right, and all. And she managed also some other passengers. This was nice. Let me welcome the next one. I would like to welcome one of the next cabin crew, Mr. Vikas.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vikas Singh. Welcome to our flight, Air India flight, and our flight London to Saudi Arab, and their time is a 5 hours. That's it. And there are 6 exits, 6 emergency exits, 2 forward, 2 back, and 2 wing off.
So here you have to make an announcement, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vikas Singh, and today I'm your flight attendant. So, as a passenger, if you feel any issue or any problem, or if you want my assistance, I will be really very happy to serve you. Thank you so much. Have a happy journey.
Today I'm your flight attendant. So I hope your journey will be more better. And if you have any problem, so you can call me
My
anytime.
problem is he's disturbing me. He's using phone without headphones. He's watching video on phone. He disturbing me, and this seat is not comfortable. You see, my shirt
Sir,
is.
first of all, you sit like this.
Yes, sir. I always sit.
Stand up, sir, please,
Yes.
and sit,
Okay.
and put your seat belt.
Yes, sir.
And now, how can you feel?
I am
How-
feel good, but he's disturbing me. No, he's using phone without headphone. He's
So,
watching video. He's
excuse me,
playing.
sir,
phone.
please slow your mobile volume, sir.
I see for 2 hours. He's not. I also understand. Explain this. He's disturbing, but he doesn't understand.
Sir, now he's understand your words. Okay. And next time you he's loud volume, so you can call me again.
I sit there on window side.
Sorry, sir. It's not
My
possible.
ticket. Okay, sir. Yes, my
So please, sorry, stand up.
You can check. I also book window side.
The
How can
misprint,
you
sir, duplicate
say
ticket.
Sir, this is not your flight, sir.
Oh.
Sir, your flight London to America, sir.
Sir, where is my meal?
Oh,
I had ordered after 1 hour, but there is no meal.
sorry,
I
ma'am.
feel hungry. What
Sorry,
should I
ma'am. Wait a
do?
moment. I will later.
Please, what
10
is your
minutes.
service?
Sorry, ma'am, for that.
What sorry? What sorry?
Sorry, ma'am, for inconvenience. I will come after 2 minutes. Sorry.
Please,
An instant.
which kind of meal did you provide me?
Ma'am,
I have ordered sandwich,
this is sandwich, ma'am.
but this is sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, please bring me one mocktail.
One more step.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you stop the plane? Excuse me, can you stop Excuse me, can you just no, please land this flight. Please land this flight, sir. Sir, I'm very scared, sir. I'm very, sir, this is above the cloud. Sir, please try to understand. This is above the cloud, sir.
Please calm down.
Please try to understand.
Sir, please calm down.
Sir, please, I request, please, sir,
Sir,
please, sir,
please calm down.
please, emergency land. Where is your
calm down.
captain? Captain,
Sorry, sir, sorry.
captain,
Calm
please,
down, calm
please, captain, stop the plane.
Sorry, sir.
Sir, this is very high altitude, sir. Sir, this is
Sir, please calm
sir,
down.
sir, this is very high altitude.
Sir,
Please,
please
sir.
calm down, sir.
No, sir, I can't fly, sir. Please, please, sir, open the door for me. Please, sir, open the door.
Sorry, sir.
Open the door.
It's not possible, sir.
Ma'am,
Please, sir.
ma'am, see that it's above
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
it's
Calm
above
down,
the cloud.
calm down.
It's
Sorry,
above the
sorry,
cloud,
sorry,
sir. Sir, I have no idea about it because this is my first time, sir. I have no idea. Please, sir.
So please, excuse me, sir.
Sir, can't
Close
please,
your
sir.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Please,
Close your
please,
eyes.
sir.
Close
Please,
your
sir.
eyes, please, sir. Close your eyes and relax your mind. Okay.
Please, sir, call for emergency landing, sir.
And see is her eyes. Okay.
This is not with me. This is not with me.
No problem, sir.
No, sir.
Not a problem.
No. There is high altitude and there is depth of water in his eyes.
No, sir.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Please try to understand.
Sorry for that.
Please try to understand. This is emergency. This is emergency.
Sir, calm down.
Sir,
Please calm down,
sir, but I can't, sir. Sir, I'm very scared. Please change my seat.
Sir,
Please change my seat.
I said that, sir. Why are you saying like that?
Sir.
He put your bag.
Excuse me, lady. Excuse me, lady. If there is a person in your family, you cannot react that. You cannot react that, man.
Don't shout.
Sir, please, sir, I want to sit on the front, sir, in the front, sir, because I can't sit
Sorry,
because
sir, it's not
the
proper.
view is so horrible
Sir,
for
it's
me.
not possible, sir.
Sir, it's above the clouds, sir. Please try to understand.
Okay, sir. I can. I will.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sure,
change your
sir.
seat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You will change your seat.
come with me,
Oh
sir.
my God, this
Come with me,
person
sir.
is very.
Come with me, sir.
Oh my God.
Just
wait.
Excuse me, lady. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah.
Have you sit in flight?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I feel comfortable. Yeah, I feel comfortable now.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi, India. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Feeling okay?
Yeah, I feel.
Sorry, sir, for that inconvenience.
See, my baby's sleeping. He's getting nervous from there.
Sorry, sir. Now he's not.
So make sure me that he will not do it again.
Sir, now he's not shouting. Okay?
Then I will take a charge from you then.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for that.
Yeah, I will understand that. Make sure that he will not do it again.
Okay, sir.
So, you can provide any types of magazine?
Magazine?
Yes,
Yes, sir, of course.
Because I am getting bored.
Okay, sir. Give me 2 minutes. I will.
How it will take? Thank you, sir.
Sir, give me.
The flight is going to be landed in Dubai.
Yes, sir.
We have a plan to go London. And now she is saying that she is not ready to go London. And she's saying only we will be in Dubai. She's not going London.
I want to watch that
So,
Burj Khalifa.
that's your problem, na?
So sir, that's our problem. I understand. But sir, why are you our assistant? You said that if you have any problem. She's my friend.
She's your friend.
Yeah.
So you can handle.
No, sir, I don't know how to handle because she promised me. And now she is saying that you can talk to the air host, flight attendant.
Ma'am, please.
You just tell me your opinion. London is good or Dubai is good?
London is good.
Yeah.
No, Dubai is good. nothing to visit, then there is nothing special to visit in London, but in Dubai there are so many of places.
No, ma'am. If you go anytime London, whenever
So I
you
think London is the final destination.
yes sir.
No,
whenever
but I
you go,
don't want to go in
Yes.
London. You have to go with me to Dubai.
No, I'm not ready to go to Dubai.
ma'am.
Right?
But
Excuse
you
me,
have
ma'am,
to.
please. He's your friend.
Yeah, I
So that's why you listen her words.
But
Him words, sorry.
but he has to listen my words also, right? If I am saying that I want to go Dubai, so why he's not going with me?
Because Dubai is not a good place.
It's my opinion. I wanted to go to Dubai.
Why is who is this way? What is the way?
She doesn't understand. London, we have the
I don't
clock tower.
understand.
Right, we have
But
multiple
Dubai
things.
we have Burj Khalifa, you know.
What's this Burj Khalifa? That's only Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
Tenu dila do Burj Khalifa.
So let's go.
Let's go to London.
No, let's go to Dubai. First
Sorry, you
of
tell
all,
me, you tell me, where should we
buy Burj Khalifa for me, then we will go to
No,
London.
where should we go? You tell me.
Ma'am, please go.
Why are you not agreeing with me?
London,
Yeah.
right?
No,
yes, sir.
no.
London.
Everybody, London.
Thank you so much.
Right. Yes, sir.
Why are you not going London?
I don't want
Tell me.
to. Just I don't want to.
Why?
Because I want to go Dubai. I want
Sir,
to
you
watch
are a
Burj
boy. You can
Khalifa.
understand boys' emotions,
Yes, sir.
right? For London, right?
Yes, sir. Because I have a also female friend.
Yes. So you also took London.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go to London.
I'm sorry. Then land the flight. I would just take I'll go out.
Sorry, sir. Please understand both are.
Okay, fine, sir.
Excuse
Thank you.
me. They are talking about there is a bomb in the flight.
Please calm down.
This is the bomb. This is the bomb. Yeah, this is the bomb.
Please, sir, please
Yeah,
calm down.
everybody will die. Everybody will
No,
die.
sir, please calm down.
There is a bomb in the
Please calm
flight.
down.
Oh my God.
Sir, please.
Sir,
Sir,
this is a bomb, sir.
This is not a
We will
bomb.
die, sir,
This
soon.
is not a bomb.
This is not a bomb.
Calm down, sir. Calm
So
down.
what is this?
This is
Please save me. What is this?
tissue box.
What about my property?
But
Oh
they-
my
They are
God.
talking
What
about,
about my property?
but they are talking about that this is a bomb, man.
No, sir. This is not a bomb. Please calm down. Relax. Relax.
What are you talking about, man?
Hey.
You both are talking
What are you
about something
talking?
like bomb in the flight. Yeah, they are talking about that there is a bomb in the flight.
This is a mistake, sir. This is a tissue box. This is not bomb.
Really, this is a tissue box?
Yeah, you can check.
God, he saved me from getting
It's a tissue.
Oh, really? This is the tissue.
I think you are feeling well now.
Right for the first time.
No,
I
no.
have so much of cure.
But these people are talking about that there is a bomb in the flight.
Calm down, ma'am. Please calm down.
Yeah, can you check every
Calm
seat?
down, ma'am.
Okay. But for
very disturbing.
but for carefulness,
Enjoy as well. All people are sitting here.
can you
They are passengers.
Please
all the
disturbing
feeling
all
well. Why
passengers.
disturbing?
can you check seat by seat? Because they are talking about the bomb. There is a bomb in the flight. No.
I
They
don't-
both are talking with each other that there is a bomb in the flight. You both are kidding with me?
Excuse me. They are talking with a comb.
Calm.
Not a bomb.
Okay. So, ma'am, you want calm?
Yeah.
Okay, now I am feeling
you
better.
out your headband
Okay.
and listen.
Okay.
Calm.
This is a very cool and super flight attendant because he agreed with my London wala statement, right? And that's nice. And he also calmed down one of the bombing passenger, and also he calmed down one of the non-veg and veg. Some issues were there, and Radha, you are also some concern with the flight attendant, and he calmed down each and every moment, right? And your baby was actually getting disturbed, so वो आपके baby को सुला दिए, right? तो सुला दिया flight attendant. हाँ, बेबी को बेस पसंद है. So नहीं मतलब वही वाला बेबी, हाँ छोटा बच्चा. मैं वही समझा, तुम वो समझ गए, right? So this was awesome and great, and now we will have the session of the hospital. Hi guys, today welcome to my restaurant. We have soft drinks today, and we have this Mapro blueberry fruit crush, and today I will be serving you a lot of drinks, soft drinks, water, cappuccino, coffee, tea, green tea, lemon soda, and each and everything. Because today I feel that my flight or my hotel is having all the facilities to serve to my customers. Hi sir, please welcome sir. What may I help you? Please sir. Hi sir. Welcome to the Hawaii Hotel, to the Murthal. How may I assist and help you today? What are you looking for, sir? Can I just note your choices and name? First of all, tell me your name, sir. What's your name?
First of all, my name is Muhammad Nadeem.
Your name is Muhammad Nadeem, all right. Where are you from, sir?
So I'm from UP and Muradabad.
You're from UP Muradabad. Thank you very much, sir. All right, and what's your contact number?
78189.
All right, fine. I'll note it. Right. Thank you very much. Okay, are you together, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
That's nice. So, what are you looking for today? What can we serve you?
I would like to take food. Please tell me about where is your main.
Sure, sir. I'll just count. Right. Are you looking for non-veg or veg?
Sir, I would like
Veg.
to take veg only.
Veg. All right. So we have in veg, we have palak paneer, we have shahi paneer, we have different types of varieties of paneer. We have also palak tikka and different dishes. So what are you looking for, sir?
Yes. Okay, sir. I
have done.
Okay.
As we know, today is Tuesday.
Yeah.
So our whole menu is veg. So you can get very good dal makhani. It is very famous in this.
Where is
area.
menu, sir?
Yeah, you can have it. Yeah, this is your menu. You can have it whatever you want.
Sir, we are deciding. Plain roti and butter.
I want to order palak paneer and chapati.
Palak paneer and chapati.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Butter roti.
Okay. So you want the white butter or the yellow butter?
Sir, I want to,
Yellow butter. Yellow butter.
Yellow butter.
Yes, yellow
The
and my white.
Amul one, na?
White butter.
Okay. So you have to just wait for 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. You can sit there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes, I want to order.
I have
Excuse me.
decided and
I want to.
What would you like to order?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to order paneer, corn
corn
pizza,
pizza as well
and,
as Renor pizza.
ma'am, I want to order corn pizza. Yes, ma'am. With makhni, paneer toppings. Anything else, and yep, one cold drink. Okay, ma'am. Anything else, sir?
Yes, I have decided corn
Sir,
pizza and
it is sir special Italian. You can see also, sir.
ma'am, another what is special sir in your restaurant? What is special?
Sir, cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza or
and
special is
corn.
this?
And sir, white sauce pasta is very delicious.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to try, so you can try,
I'm
sir.
deciding over a few 1 minute. Okay, ma'am. I would like to take a white.
Welcome, ma'am.
Well, thank you.
Welcome to Happiness Hotel.
Thank you.
Have a seat, ma'am. Please.
I have a registration already. You can check it.
What's your name, ma'am?
Simran Mishra.
Simran Mishra. At 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
You asked for?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. You have the registration. Ma'am, you can be here, ma'am.
I want my personal space.
Have it, ma'am.
Thank you. Can you bring me the menu, please?
Okay, wait a moment, please. Okay, one chai.
And I want to order shahi paneer.
Okay, shahi paneer.
And do you serve it with naan or roti?
Ma'am, what would you like?
I like naan.
Like naan. Okay. How many naan you do?
2.
2. Okay. 2.
And you have to make shahi paneer without cream. Make it short.
Okay, without creamy.
Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay, I will come 10 minutes. Okay.
Thank you.
And I will come. There.
Who's the chef? Who makes that tea?
Ma'am, safe.
So where's your chef? This is so disgusting. There's no sugar in that tea.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for that inconvenience.
So what would I do now?
Uh,
That's make my taste so bad.
Ma'am, give me 10 minutes. I will fix it you.
I don't want to wait for any 10 minutes right now. You are wasting my time. I just want to talk to your manager. Just call him.
Sorry for ma'am. That for inconvenience. I will fix it.
Dipanshu, I am the manager of this restaurant. How can I help you?
Are you not paying attention on your staffs? What are they doing and what are they not doing?
What happened, ma'am?
The tea is tasteless and this is very disgusting. How a restaurant customer will have it? You have to pay attention. It is not all about that thing. You have to manage it. But you have to work on it. You have to pay attention on it. That's just make damper on my evening.
No, ma'am. I will change for it. Please wait a 2 minutes only.
Thank you.
Sugar already है. Have already sugar है. included.
Okay, so you have added the sugar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You can check. You want more? I will give you.
Okay.
Have it, ma'am. Have it, sir. Have it, ma'am. Enjoy.
Who ordered? Who ordered it?
Ordered it? You, sir?
So how are you serving, right? First of all, there is a plate. What's the use of this plate? I want to know.
I think it will replace. Don't worry, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir. So what's made of? What's made of? Is it a goat milk, cow milk, buffalo milk, or the powder milk?
It's cow milk, sir.
It's cow milk? Okay, fine. Good to know.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for this specialty.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please. There are also customers.
So for making that, we need some more time. That's why you are our special guest. That's why we are making it very.
But as per my experience, the staff said to me, madman.
Oh my God.
No, no.
Really, in front of my face.
He is saying that you
Your
are.
staff, your
It is a
staff.
short form of magnification.
On in front of me, your staff said to me that
Magnificent.
I am mad.
I'm not saying mad.
Yeah.
He's saying magnificent. You are magnificent, right?
The latte coffee take a time of 10
No,
minutes.
only 1 minute. I told you that.
So please bring me,
Yes.
bring me,
Please
bring
wait,
me quick.
What is facility of your restaurant? I'm not happy here. You know, we are here 5 person included, and you take a tea 4 person. Where is your mind? Why are you not focused on your work?
Sorry, ma'am.
What do you want to say on this
Yes.
topic?
Sorry, ma'am. Please, I'm doing this. I will I will bring a coffee for 10 minutes.
So what is this? I'm waiting for 5 minutes. I don't want to say. I'm waiting. What time? Maybe you come 5 to 10 minutes, but you not come here. What is it? What is your facility? What is your restaurant facility?
Sorry, ma'am.
I will give a 0 review and say to everyone, this restaurant is not good restaurant.